Hello friends, become smart here from near Beaumont, and look at here this beautiful forest. Sorry, I forgot to take video at Beaumont campground now, which has been closed permanently to preserve this wonderful forest. Look at here, wonderful forest. You can hear the birds singing. It is almost 1:30 p.m. and you can see the sunlight doesn't reach here. That is the thickness of forest, and you can see the height of these trees. Wonderful. It's a nice place to be here, friends. Take care. You can add 10, 20 years plus to your life. If you love nature, nature loves you. Take care. See you again. Bye bye.